Today I'm going to do a video on how to programming a UR5 robot. Okay, so first you go to the structure and then you go to move, set waypoint, then after that you go command and then you set this point as your waypoint, so just press OK. Then second, then you go structure, you go waypoint again, then you set this point. So from here now I'm going to move the, so always remember press this button in order to move the robot. So then yeah, I move the robot here. So and then I set this point as my position. So move the robot. So change this point to the waypoint. Okay. So okay. So from here I rename this one as my home position. And then this one is my peak position. Okay, so then after that I want to go back to my home again, so basically I go structure, waypoint. Oh no, if you happen this one you just delete it. So you just go waypoint and then you go command. So you move your robot back to home first. So move the robot here, use auto one and look carefully, and if you're not sure, please adjust the speed to slightly lower so that the robot won't have any collision with any parts. Yeah, so yeah, basically you can see that it's moving back to home position. When it's done to home position, then you just press OK. So and then you just set this point as the position. Also OK. So you rename this one as your home. So So basically you cannot rename, like there's cannot have two homes, so you just rename maybe approach. Maybe you rename this position as home 1 because they don't want to have two home. So now the robot moved there and moved home. So now I'm going to teach you the pallet part, the visit pallet function. Okay, so basically you go visit, then you go pallet. So you always do the approach function first. Then okay, so you go command. Then now you are at the visit part, so you're gonna set this point. So yeah, because I'm gonna do visit 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna set this one as my approach point. So you press this one, and then you move the robot. Okay, so yeah. So after you move the robot to approach position, press OK. And then you set this, and you change this point to wave point. Okay, so that means this is wave point. So wave pattern wise, so basically right, this pattern is that you have 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So basically, for our case, we are going to do a square. So interval will be only like 2, and we're going to do 2 interval. So 2 row and 2 column. 2 row, 2 column. So basically, your approach. Okay, so we are going to specify the first corner first. So we're going to specify first corner, which is going to be here. Okay. Then you press OK. So and then after you specify your first corner, your pattern point 1 is your first corner point. So you also set this point as the waypoint. So OK. Then from there, you set your second corner, you specify your second corner, you just specify the position. The robot is going to slightly moving a bit. Yes. And it's going to move a bit. Yeah. Okay. So press OK. So you define your third corner, which is here, this position. Then you just specify the position. Again, you press this one and let the robot move to the third position. Then press OK. Then your fourth corner, you specify the position. Press here. You adjust the robot here. Your fourth corner position. And then you press OK. So and then you are reached the set basic is to on and off the gripper. But then for this case we don't have PLC input, so we just put as no action. Then we also don't have to wait because we don't have input, so we just put no action. So exit is the point where the robot is going to leave the pallet function. So you're just going to set this point slightly above the leave point. So this is to prevent the robot from crashing into any like objects. So basically, yeah, this one is a safety feature. So you just set this point as leave point. Okay, exit point. So okay, so basically that is our move the robot here. So basically that is our tutorial on how to programming a UR file with the wizard function. Okay.